Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change fish tank on ABC mouse. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To customize your child's aquarium in ABC mouse, you can change the fish tank by following these steps. So the first thing is to head over and open up your ABC mouse app, or simply open up a browser and on the search bar type in abcmouse.com, and then once the page loads, tap on the login button on the top right corner of the screen. Now here, log in with your account, and now once logged in, what you need to do is click on the About Me icon on the student homepage. Then there select the My Aquarium option, and now on the right side of the aquarium screen, click on the fish tab represented by an orange and white striped fish icon, and there in the inventory click on the My Aquarium label, then browse through the available fish tanks, then click on your preferred fish tank to set it as a default. Your selected fish tank should now be displayed in the aquarium. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down if you have any questions, and see you soon in the next one.